Congratulations! Now that you have braces on, the technique to clean your teeth will be different. If you use a manual toothbrush, you will need to do circular motions around the top, middle, and under the brackets. If you use an electrical toothbrush, you will sit the motor on top, on, and under the braces. No need to do circular motions with an electrical toothbrush because it has its own motor to move the bristles for you. It is critical to clean all the plaque around the braces because if plaque is left behind, it can cause permanent white staining around the brackets, which is the beginning of a cavity. We will recommend brushing for 4 minutes, 2 minutes on the top and 2 minutes on the bottom, twice a day while you have braces. Flossing is essential to keep the gums healthy and preventing cavities. You will need to use a piece of floss and thread it through a floss threader just like a needle and thread. Then use the floss threader to go behind the braces wire. Then you can use the piece of floss and floss around the one side of the gum, then up and over to the other side. An alternative would be super floss. This is similar to floss and floss threader, but it is all in one strand. There is a hard piece at the end of the floss to thread behind the braces. If you are unable to brush or floss after a meal, we recommend using a proxy brush between the teeth to get any remaining food out of your mouth. You can take off the lid and bend it any direction to slide it under the wire between the brackets. This will help remove the food and plaque between the teeth to prevent bacteria from staining your teeth. It does take a few days to get used to your braces, so if your cheeks are irritated from the brackets, you could dry it off with some gauze and stick some wax around the area that bothers you. This will give some cushion around the area for better comfort. Before you eat or brush, remember to remove it so you don't swallow it. But even if you do, don't worry, it'll pass. Soon enough, your cheeks will be used to sharing space with your braces and they will be less bothered by them. If you need any extra wax or any extra tools to keep your teeth clean, please don't hesitate to ask us. It is important to be careful with your food choices to keep on track with your treatment. Please avoid any sticky foods like jelly beans, licorice, caramel, Skittles. These things can stick and pull off your braces. Avoiding hard foods like nuts, hard candies, lollipops, ice cubes is also important to avoid breakages. You can cut some foods into smaller pieces like apples, carrots, and pizza crust just to be careful not to do a big bite and place pressure onto the brackets as this may cause them to break off.